Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary. Good to see you again.
Good morning. Good Wednesday morning.
That's right. Here we are. So we have a viewer question this week, so we'll jump right into it. Gary, I got injured and treated at the emergency room, but I don't have insurance. How do I get follow-up care if I don't have health insurance?
Well, the truth is, if it happened in an accident or a wreck, it may be a challenge to get care regardless of whether you have insurance or not. I've had clients who had treated with their primary care doctor for 20 years, and when they come in after a wreck, they'll say, no, I don't want to be involved in that. And so that presents hurdles that people need help getting past sometimes. But you know, the good news is there are options. There's a lot of options in town. One of the things you'll see, if you don't have insurance, even if you do, and it's a car wreck, the hospital wants to know that. And why do they want to know that? Because they want to bill the person who's responsible as if that's been determined. So they will file something called a lien. And if you have one filed against you, you'll get it in the mail. And it will be for the sticker price, not what hospitals or doctors normally accept for those services under a Blue Cross or, you know, a Humana kind of plan,
Right.
or even TRICARE. So you got to be leery of that and watch for that. If you get that in the mail, don't just think it's going to take care of itself. It really doesn't just take care of itself. It has to be dealt with. You don't actually owe the money unless you collect from somebody else, and that's what that lien is trying to establish. But remember, it has to be reasonable and customary charges, not just the sticker price that's put up there. And I will warn you, there are people who will take advantage of that. Not our normal emergency departments around here, but these liens attach for any healthcare provider. Be careful who you treat with. Sometimes, particularly if you get to Atlanta or get referred to Atlanta, these things can be out of control and out of hand. So be careful about it. Just really know who you can trust. Make sure you make decisions based on trust and referral and, you know, good decisions. And you know, be careful because the sticker price is not what is paid sometimes. So anyway, there are options. We've been doing it here 30 years. There are options if you don't have health insurance. There are options when you run into problems when you have health insurance, and you can get through them. We get through it all the time.
And you can help if somebody has questions, right?
We do, absolutely. It doesn't cost anything to call if you have a question about it, particularly if you get one of those letters in the mail. Those are unique, and if you got it, you give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you about it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.